Hi guys and girls, I'm Karel Segers and I've got 1 minute to tell you something about myself and this channel. I'm a former radio producer and film critic. I bought movies for Canal, that's Europe's largest pay TV group. I produced films and documentaries, and today I'm a story analyst. It means I'm trying to understand what makes certain stories for the screen work and others fail. I'm focusing on those areas that not everyone else is already covering, and I found 5 that are my favorite, and I'm hoping to share this with you and bring some value so your writing can be more successful. My 5 favorite topics are loglines, point of view, story catalysts, the midpoint reversal, and thresholds. If you like the sound of that, why not subscribe to the channel by pushing that S at the bottom right? And I look forward to having you for my next video. See you then.